Hi, this is Asis, and I just passed my driving test in my first go. This is my Red P. So I was referred to First Drive driving center by a few of my friends, and I contacted Rosandai, and I also asked for Nahid as my instructor. So he taught me pretty good. It was a brilliant moment, and in 10 lessons I got my Red Ps. So it is a really proud moment for me because I had a few experience back home in Nepal. So if you guys are planning to get a driving license here in Australia, get to know the rules and get to know how you pass the exams, I would strongly recommend this driving institute First Ride. And you can contact any of the instructors. They are pretty much good because I had classes with Nahid. He's a brilliant instructor. He taught me everything that had to be done to get a Red P at the first attempt. So yeah, thank you Rosandai, thank you Nahid, thank you everyone in First Ride, and this is a proud moment for me. Thank you.